This
And
is a
we
group
are
one.
group 1.
So kabayan, habang naglilibot-libot ako dito sa mga room dito ni MedPro, so may nakita akong ginagawa nila, so i-check natin.
Yes, hello. Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to present our nutrition diet for our patients. So we will tackle the 3 cases for today. So this one is our
Menu.
chronic kidney disease. This is the breakfast, this is the lunch, and the dinner,
And
okay?
this one
This
for
one.
snacks.
Yes, of course, there should be the snacks. And the second table is that we will talk about the hypertensive patient, okay? So this is gonna be the breakfast for the hypertensive, of course. Then it's gonna be the lunch and the dinner. Okay, of course, the snacks. And this one is for the diabetic patient. So we will use the brown bread, of course, because the patient is diabetic. And the lunch. And this is the dinner. So for today, this is what we have.
O, di ba?
Okay.
Di ba
Diba?
dapat ganon?
Ganun lang.